Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because this is kind of a year in the making. I have been developing this list all year long. I've been ordering popular products, testing them out, seeing what's good and what's bad, and I had no idea how many products I would have in this video, but it turns out I have 12 popular products that are actually worth the hype and worth your money. So I don't know if you guys remember, but a couple weeks ago I posted a video similar, but it was popular products not worth the hype and worth your money, at least in my opinion, and you guys seem to really enjoy that. So this is kind of the opposite. And what's also very exciting is this video is in collaboration with Sephora, which, oh my goodness, I love Sephora. This really makes me happy. I'm always shopping there, always ordering things. So all of these products are in fact from Sephora. I'll have everything linked down below in the description box if you happen to be interested in trying anything out. I was actually just at Sephora last night and I got my birthday present. So I don't know if you guys are like a part of the Beauty Insider program. It is like a rewards program. It's actually one of the only store rewards programs I actually really like. So I got my birthday present. So I just wanted to, shout that out. If you're not a part of it, you get access to, sales and discounts. You get a birthday present. You get, product bundles sometimes. You get experiences. Like I had a makeover once. So it's just a really cool thing. And I'm gonna try this stuff out. So anyway, let's get started with the very first item. I'm gonna kind of go in order of how I would typically, start my day and kind of apply my makeup. Some of these things I may have mentioned on my channel before. A lot of these things I haven't because I've been specifically saving them for this video. But this first item I have recommended time and time again. And what's really cool is you can right now save money on it. So this is from Sephora, like this bundle. It's a holiday bundle. So I honestly do not know how long it's going to be available. But if you are interested in this product, jump on it while you can kind of save some money. So it is the Dr. Dennis Gross 2-Step Peels. I have talked about these so much. They're just so good. It's like a 2-step daily peel. You do the first thing, you rub it all over your face, and then you wait 2 minutes and you do the second thing and you rub it all over your face, and holy guacamole, why do I say that? Holy guacamole, holy moly, wow. Cool. It really resurfaces your skin and makes your skin feel so soft and smooth. But this particular bundle, it does also come with a vitamin C serum and a vitamin C collagen moisturizer. And I have also been so in love with vitamin C serums this year. It's really helped brighten my skin and reduce the pigmentation on my skin. I am on camera with no makeup, and I never used to be able to do that, and I swear it's because of these peels, but then also the vitamin C. So like I said, this is just a way to kind of save some money if you're interested. Again, I don't know how long it's gonna last, but this is just a product I buy over and over and over again. The next popular product is from a brand that I have really been enjoying this year, and it's Dermalogica. This is probably their most popular product, their most well-known product, and I totally think it is worth the hype. It is an exfoliant. It's called the Daily Superfoliant, and it's a little bit interesting, and I just kind of want to explain the way to use it. It's a powder actually. So you wanna, I actually do this in the morning. I think you could do it in the morning or the night, but I love doing it in the morning because I feel like it gives a nice finish to my skin in preparation for putting makeup on. So it is a powder. You get your hands wet, you kind of put some powder on your fingertips, and then you really want to rub that together and get it to kind of foam up a little bit, and then you start to exfoliate and rub your skin, and it works so well. But I did just want to say, you don't pour out the powder and just start scraping your face. It could be a little bit too abrasive. But yeah, this is one of their most well-known products, and it's totally worth it. This next product is groundbreaking for me, guys. It really is. If you've been following me at all, you will know how much I knock primers. I usually think they're pretty dumb. I don't know what it is about primers, but it's so, I don't like them. Until now, I have finally found one that I think is actually worth it. It actually makes my makeup be applied better, and it makes my makeup last longer, all day. So I feel like this is such a big deal for me that I need to do a drum roll to introduce it. So it is the Tatcha, the Liquid Silk Canvas Primer. it actually works. It actually makes my makeup look so much better on my skin, and I really think it makes my makeup last longer throughout the entire day. If I don't use this, it's not like the end of the world if I don't use this, but if I do use it, it's just a better finish overall and it lasts way longer. I feel like finally I'm fitting in with all of you guys. I actually love this primer. It is a little bit pricey, but to me, a little goes a long way and it actually is worth the money. Okay, so things are making sense now. Okay, the next popular product that I'm not gonna spend too much time on just because I've mentioned this a lot in videos, but it's super popular and totally worth the hype. It's the IT Cosmetics CC Cream, but I'm just now realizing that when I was putting my makeup on today, if you see me doing it with this, I was definitely using the dark shade, that this is more my summer color, and I kept thinking like,
wow, this looks extra dark on me today.
So I do normally use the light at this time of the year, but this has become my absolute favorite foundation. There's just something amazing about the finish of it. I am oily, but it doesn't make me feel too oily throughout the day, but it's just such a beautiful, full coverage yet natural looking finish. It does have an SPF. There's also anti-aging and hydrating serums in it. It's just so good. But it's probably better that you use the right shade, even though honestly, I feel like it kind of just is forgiving. Like it actually looks pretty good. The next very popular product is probably one of their most popular products by Drunk Elephant, is the De Bronzy Sunshine Drops. So I ordered this from Sephora like many months ago, probably at the beginning of summer, I think in like May or whatever. I used it all summer long. I'm still using it. It's actually, this bottle is very dirty. But again, this is a product that a little goes a long way, and they're little bronzing drops that you can actually apply to your moisturizer. And wow, does it brighten your face and make you have this beautiful, bronzy, sunshiny glow. Read the reviews, seriously, like that's what hooked me. So I ordered it, and I don't use it every single day. I use it more on days when I'm actually not having a full face of foundation makeup. I just apply like 1 drop, maybe 2 drops into a moisturizer, and it gives me like a tiny bit of coverage, but really it just makes my skin glow, but like in a good way. Now today, since I do have foundation on, I wanted to share a bronzer that has surprisingly stolen my heart. I had no idea that I was going to love this so much because it is a cream stick bronzer. It's the Fenty Beauty Contour Stick. I have it in the shade Mocha. There's other shades to choose from, but this is what it looks like, and I just apply it directly to my cheeks. Sometimes I go up around my forehead a little bit, and then I just kind of like buff it in, blend it in, and it is so smooth and creamy, and I just had no idea that I would love a cream bronzer so much. I've always used the powder, which those can be great, but this is better. Like this is far better. You really can apply it exactly where you should have the contour and like the shading for your face. It's just way easier than I expected. So yeah, this is definitely worth it. This next very popular product is the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Like, this is whatever. This is like the gold standard of setting powders. And I agree. So I've tested out so many. I mean, there's a lot that I love, but I do think this is the best out there. And this is the point in my makeup application that I would set everything because the rest of my makeup is powder. Okay, next we have the NARS Blush in a certain shade, which you can probably guess what it is if you're familiar with makeup at all. It's their most popular best-selling shade, and I do in fact think it's worth the hype. Now the color, on the other hand, I'm a goody two-shoes, so I don't want to say it, but I'm going to anyway. It's called Orgasm. Yeah, that's what it's called. But it's a really beautiful blush, and it's definitely worth the hype. I feel like it's such a universally beautiful color on so many skin colors. You might already even have it, but if you don't, you should give it a try. And I did just want to say I usually like putting on my blush after the setting powder. I just feel like blushes then kind of like blend on your skin a little bit easier. Next, we're moving on to eyes, but I first wanted to share this eye makeup brush set that I have been loving. It comes with 5 essential eye makeup brushes. It also comes with this holder thing that's great for travel. It is by Sephora. It's like Sephora's own brand. And I am normally so picky when it comes to makeup brushes of any sort. But I was just in dire need of some new eye makeup brushes, and I kept trying them, and I don't know, some aren't fluffy enough, some are too stiff, some are like too loose and they don't really blend well. Like, I'm just picky, but this set is so good. This is just great because it comes with all of the essential brushes. This is my favorite one. It's like the big fluffy brush that is so good for blending and windshield wiper motions and circular motions. It's just the one I'm always reaching for, but it also comes with different shapes that you can kind of get into your crease. It comes with one that is great for your brow bone. This one is great even for blending like the lower lash line or even your eyebrow. So anyway, this is just a really good set. It had amazing reviews and now I know why. So this next eyeshadow palette is definitely very hyped up, probably because it is by Mario, Makeup by Mario, which is Kim Kardashian's makeup artist. And I was kind of skeptical about this, kind of excited about this. I wasn't really sure what to expect, but all I knew was, oh my goodness, I love the shades in this palette. Like, this is a palette that if I were to ever create one, which I will probably never do, but if I did, this is what I would want it to look like. It is all matte shades in every shade of warm tones that you could want. We've got very light shades, very dark shades. We've got red tones, orange tones, like pukey tones, like just the best colors. So anyway, I ordered this and I love it. That's my opinion. I think it is so creamy, but so blendable, so pigmented. I sound like such a beauty guru, which I am not, but I love this so much. And I feel like these are shades that people should really try out. Like they just look so good on your skin. They just make you look so much healthier and brighter and just better. So love this. Okay, so now we're moving on to lips, and this is called the Fenty Beauty Gloss Boss Universal Lip Luminizer, and I love these so much. I feel like I sound like a broken record in this video, but that is okay. These truly are like the glossiest glosses of all glosses, like really. This is in this shade Sweet Mouth, which is probably my favorite. I actually bought a second tube of this last night at Sephora because I love it so much. I keep these two here at my vanity, but I wanted a second one of these just to go in my purse so that I always have it like when I'm out and about. And then this other shade that I love is Fenty Glow. Fussy is also a shade that is very popular, so you could consider that one. But these are great just by themselves. Like, they're a great gloss that like you can just throw them on. They make your lips look so shiny and plump and full, but they're also great to wear over top your favorite lip liner or lipstick. Like, you just pick your favorite and then you can put these over top. And again, it just kind of luminizes your lips and makes them look so full and juicy and shiny. I know a lot of people love these, and I feel like this is another one of those products I was a little bit late to, but I'm just constantly reaching for now. Okay, so now that we're done with my makeup, I wanted to mention a hair product that is very popular, very, very, very popular, but I do think it is worth it, and I do think it makes a difference, and it's the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. So this is not a conditioner. This is more like a hair bond builder. You actually use this before you wash your hair. Like, you leave it on your hair for at least like 10 or 15 minutes, and then you wash your hair, usually like once a week. And I love this, and so many people do, and I'm so mad at myself because a few weeks ago, I did a video all about growing your hair longer and how to like not get split ends and whatnot. And I have a lot of cool tips in that video, but I didn't put this in that, which was dumb because this does make a difference with my split ends. Like I said, this is the number 3 Hair Perfector. They also have shampoo and conditioner and a whole line of products, and I think they're good, and I've tried all of them out, but this is where it's at. Like, this is what is definitely worth the money. So those are my 12 very popular products that are actually worth the hype. I'll have everything linked down below in the description box, and another huge thank you to Sephora for collaborating with me on this video. Very exciting to me. But comment below your favorite beauty product, like your all-time favorite beauty product. I'm honestly curious what that would be. So if you're new, consider subscribing, maybe giving this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, but I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye.